high dividend stocks in Bursa Malaysia for 2024. 2 high dividend stocks a week build up your passive income to replace your active income. These stable dividend stocks are currently giving 5% or above just for dividend returns. Starting things off, we have Uchi Technologies. At the current price, dividend yield for the past 12 months at an impressive 8.8%. Disregarding its special dividend yield at 7.5% for the past 12 months. Uchi Technology is an original design manufacturer specializing in the design of electronic control system for consumer and industrial electrical and electronic appliances industry. Things like precision weighing scales and high-end household appliances. For the past 1 year, its stock price is on a 22% uptrend from 3 ringgit per share to 4 ringgit per share. That's like you eating your cake and having it too. Now, how likely is this dividend payout can be sustained or even go higher in the future? For this, we look at its net margins. Huge net margins, in fact, in the 50% range consistently every year when you divide the profit after tax with revenue. For the past 5 years, Uchi Technologies' profit growth had been steadily increasing as well. Most recent one spiking to 36% year on year. Disclaimer, this is not an investment advice. This is also not a recommendation to buy the dividend stocks cover, as I do not know your financial needs, circumstances, risk appetite or investment objectives. Then next, we want to look at these stocks dividend risk to you. For this, we look at a company's leverage and shows the extent to which operations are funded by lenders versus shareholders. Now, in the business world, a gearing ratio refers to a company's financial leverage, essentially how much debt they use to run their operations. Debt can help a business grow faster, just like in racing. Higher gears lead to greater speed, but too much debt can cause problems. If the interest rates rise unexpectedly, heavily geared companies can go bust overnight. Gearing is total debt minus cash divided by shareholders' funds. For Uchi Technologies, it does not need or believe in using debt to grow, so we can conclude this stock is on a safe side in terms of financial health, no matter what happens to the economy, to the interest rate. Evidently, it has survived the pandemic and high interest environment without needing to borrow money and still sustain its profit growth and net margin. Next up, we have United Plantation. At the current price, dividend yield for the past 12 months stands close to a spectacular 9%. Disregarding special dividends though, dividend yield still stands at 5.5% trailing 12 months. United Plantation is one of those sleep-inducing companies that will never make any news headline. Cause does this sound remotely exciting to you? Planting and processing of palm oil, coconut, including manufacturing, packing, distribution of cooking oils, edible oils, specialty fats, and soap products. Founded since 1906 with operations mainly in Perak, Selangor, and Central Kalimantan, Indonesia. However, United Plantation is far from being a disappointing Malaysia dividend stocks to park your money in. For the past 1 year, its stock price had been uptrending from 15 ringgit to 20 ringgit per share. Now that is over 25% of gain. And how likely is this high dividend payout can be sustained or even going higher going forward? For that, we look at again its percentage net margin. It ranges from 25 to 30% for the past 5 years. Nice! Growth wise, double digits growth for the past 3 years. Its nature of business, I think, is more affected by CPO prices and weather rather than geopolitical events, war, or even a pandemic. Just like Uchi Technologies, United Plantations does not believe in using debt to run its operation or to grow. It is in an enviable position to sustain its profit growth and net margin with without needing external financing costs is cash rich. Of course, this may improve or worsen in the future. So if you want to be aware of future changes, do follow and subscribe. If you prefer weekly email update, there's a link in the description below or in bio. Questions, ask below. Here's your next high dividend stocks clip to watch. There's an entire series of this. Also check out more of these global investment strategy videos updated monthly only for CF Liu channel insider members.